The one question which I keep getting is, how much do chartered accountants earn? This is such a vague question, is it not? It's like asking, how much do human beings earn? There are all types of human beings, is it not? Human beings are billionaires, human beings are also beggars. So asking a question like how much do chartered accountants earn is as silly a question like how much do human beings earn. There are so many types of human beings. Some people earn a lot, some people do not want to earn, some people cannot earn. People like many of our mothers and sisters could be homemakers, correct, could be housewives who have chosen not to earn. That doesn't mean they cannot earn. If they want to earn, they can, but they have chosen not to earn. So similarly, chartered accountants, there is no single answer how much do they earn. They earn anywhere between 0 and infinity if you want a real answer. But then some people may be pursuing chartered accountancy only because of the money. I would seriously suggest not to, because over experience what I have learned is your education and the amount of money you earn are not related. The richest people may be the most uneducated persons also. So please don't pursue an education just so that you can earn a lot of money. Yes, education may give you basic employment or maybe giving you enough skills so that you can start something on your own, but nothing is a guarantee of becoming a billionaire or a millionaire. So never choose a profession or chartered accountancy in this matter just for the sake of making a lot of money. Yes, chartered accountants earn well, they earn better than others, and they have a lot of market opportunities. Yes, many students come to me with a question that what is the average starting package of a chartered accountant? Again, there is no standard answer. There are chartered accountants who go at the beginning of their career placed into crores, okay, more than 100 lakhs. That also happens, correct? And there are chartered accountants who start with a zero. They might be starting up their own practice, which is very challenging. It might take a few years to even break even, and then slowly they might start, because doing a practice is like a business. If you do not know how to run a good business, you might not be able to manage a big practice. So there is no standard answer. But yeah, if you are questioning me, no, what about a corporate job? If I get into a corporate job, how much will I earn? I will tell you a very broad range of figure. You may be earning anywhere from 30,000 a month to maybe few lakhs a month as a starting fresher also. So if you are looking at a small company or a small firm in a small town, yeah, maybe you will be earning only 30,000 a month or 35,000 a month. Obviously, when you are looking at an MNC and a bigger role and a bigger brand, you may be earning a few lakhs a month also. But there is one thing for sure, there is no chartered accountant who is jobless. Everyone has the potential to earn. So many people then ask me a question that, oh, just 35,000 is it? If just 35,000, why should I work so hard and become a CA? Why shouldn't I do an MBA? No problem, you can do an MBA also, but you need to understand one thing. Why are you comparing an average CA with an average MBA? You cannot compare. That's not a fair comparison, because majority of average MBAs don't even get a job. And even the worst of the CAs have a decent and good job, at least 35,000 a month. Majority of MBAs don't have a job. You need to understand that. Please don't compare. Then some people take the comparison to the next extreme. They say, I want to compare a chartered accountant to an IIM MBA. You cannot compare, because they are two different things. A chartered accountant is self-made. There is no college which he goes to. Right after his 12th class, he starts registering into CA, and you can study the whole course by yourself. You don't even need any coaching. Even if you take coaching, there is no standard university or a college which is offering you classes to make you a CA. You are self-made. IIM is a costly course. Chartered accountancy takes like what? 1 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees for the whole course. IIM will cost you more than 30 lakh rupees. And it's a proper university with the best of the people guiding the students. Don't you see a difference? How can you compare IIM with a CA? Which is better? What do you mean which is better? This is a self-study course where you don't have any help from any college or any university. And once you become a chartered accountant, you are a gazetted officer with a signing authority, attestation function to sign off any balance sheet, and the whole world believes that to be true. That is the power of this. IIM is a different guy. He is being educated in a university by experts for 2 years, ground there. He goes through that grind. Obviously, he'll be better, right? Better in terms of what? Better in terms of his social skills, because there is a setup given to him, there's an environment given to him with amazing teachers around, with amazing infrastructure, and he's spending a bomb for it, whether from his pocket or parents' pocket or maybe educational loan. Correct? You can't really compare, but you need to appreciate that without any college, without any support, a chartered accountant can give a fight to an IIM MBA. That is what you need to understand. So you really cannot compare the two courses. Another reason why you can't compare is IIM does not have the depth, or any MBA does not have a depth. They have a perspective. They can do general management. You suddenly go to an IIM MBA and ask him how much is the TDS rate on a contractor's bills. He will not tell you. He can't tell you. He doesn't have depth, but he knows perspective, general management. CAs have depth, everything very deep. You ask TDS rates, they know. You ask them how to audit, they know. You ask them how to manage a company's finances, they know. You ask them how to exactly pass a journal entry and how to make books of accounts, they know. They study very deep, but they sometimes lack the perspective. They go into verticals deep, but they may lack perspective. To get that perspective, the Chartered Accountants Institute is constantly, revamping the CA course, making it better and better, so that the student gets the general management perspective. Like many years ago, they've introduced programs called GMCS, General Management and Communication Skills Program, which is, by the way, 15 days. Where is bloody 15 days and where is 2 years? The IIM guy is going through a general management course for 2 years. A CA is going for 15 days because that's all CA Institute can afford with the kind of fees which we pay. A CA Institute student is paying hardly 10,000 rupees for foundation level, around 20 for inter level, another 25 for final level. Finished. Chartered accountancy course is over, including your trainings, GMCS, this and that and all. 60-70,000 rupees course is over. You want to take coachings, another 1 lakh rupees for that. 1.6 lakh rupees course is over. And chartered accountant is going through 3 years of articleship, which is the real learning. This is where a CA is better in terms of some things compared to other professions, because by the time he's a CA, he's already coming with 3 years of practical experience. So no other profession gives you that. Yes, so there's a practical exposure, and in those 3 years of articleship, you earn little bit stipend. Even minimum also in those 3 years, you make around 3 to 4 lakh rupees. So in fact, CA is a negative cost course, right? You spent around 1.6 lakh and earned back 3-4 lakh rupees by the end. By the time you are a chartered accountant. Obviously, some people ask me, sir, CA is a poor man's course. No, it's not a poor man's course. There are many well-to-do, well-settled rich people who also do CA. Yes, it is cheap. Why is it cheap? Because it is being offered by the government, and the reason why they did not make it very costly like an IIM course, it's a gazetted function. We need chartered accountants. If there is no IIM and there is no MBA, world will not get doomed. If there is no chartered accountant, who is going to audit your balance sheets? And without auditing of balance sheets, the financial statements are no good. No one is going to accept it. You need an expert to sign off the balance sheets, financial statements, saying everything is great. CA gives you that assurance, and that assurance is required. Getting the logic? So you really cannot compare a CA with an MBA. Both are into different things. And regarding average packages, now another question that comes is, they start comparing an IIM guy's package with a CA guy's package. Dude, they are different people, as I told you. Right? He is coming from a formal set of education. CA, you are struggling by yourself and getting there. Correct? But still, chartered accountants earn quite decently. Right now, an average fresher chartered accountant, average fresher chartered accountant package goes up to around 8 lakh rupees. So obviously there are people, as I told you, who are earning much less, and people who are earning substantially high also. But you need to also understand, you have to keep in mind economy. Someone was recently asking, why is chartered accountancy course losing its sheen? No, it's not losing its sheen. Despite the global lockdown, we are earning well. But yes, we lack general management and communications perspective. Somehow a chartered accountant, by a student, has to himself take interest to build the general management and communication skills, then he will fare better in life, because he has a lot of knowledge. A CA has a lot of knowledge, very in-depth knowledge. He just needs to improve his communication and general management abilities, which an MBA has, correct? Then you are better than anyone else. So you have to by yourself take that initiative as a student to better yourself. You cannot keep blaming the CA institute or anyone for it. Okay, someone was, as I told you, someone was asking me, is it losing its sheen? No, it's not losing its sheen. There are some people who are losing their sheen because they are not putting in enough effort for bettering themselves at certain aspects. So that is what you need to keep in mind. Another fellow was asking that, 10 years back a CA used to start at 6 lakh rupees package. Now also it is just 8 lakh rupees package. Like, what is this? You need to also understand this is not just about CA. The whole economy has taken a hit right from 2008. I passed CA in 2009. In 2008, when my friends passed, the fresher package in 2008 was 12 lakh rupees. Okay, everyone went for 12 lakh rupees per annum. Next year, 2009, I passed. By then, global slowdown started. 2008 recession had hit, and I got a 6.13 lakhs package per annum, and mine was the second best package in India for that time. Highest went to some 7.2 India placements. I'm not looking at abroad placements. That economy till now has not properly recovered, and now this COVID-19 and all this. So don't compare that time it was 6, now it is 8. It's not just a CA. Everyone has taken a hit in terms of salaries. Do you know in the US since the last 20 years, fresher salaries have been $5,000 only. 20 years ago also it was $5,000, today also $5,000. Economy is also something. It's not an inflationary thing that you just add 5%, 5%, 5% and fresher packages keep going up. That's not how it works. So this level of economic understanding also only a CA can have. Okay, so you need to get a broad perspective. Do this course, get into chartered accountancy if you really want to become a subject matter expert, because every subject in CA can give you a new career line and you can become a subject matter expert. Don't you think 8 lakh rupees starting package is a good package? It's a good package, na? It's a good package for spending hardly any money to become a chartered accountant and such a respected profession. Stop comparing it. Stop comparing CA with other things. If you are ready to put the hard work and you want to become a subject matter expert, this is what it is. Okay, so I hope this video gives you an insight of how to choose CA, when to choose CA, and answers your main question of how much does a CA earn, right? So I am CA Vijay Krishna Dharani, a chartered accountant, the principal mentor of Cavach Academy. We are Bangalore's the best CA coaching institute. So please like the video, subscribe our channel so that you keep getting more such informative videos. Thank you. Bye bye.